Hey guys, in this video I am going to build or create a data table. To do so, I am going to use the pandas library. So first of all, let me check if the pandas library is available in my computer or not. By typing pip show pandas, you can see it tells me yes, you have pandas. After this, let's switch to PyCharm, and here I am going to import pandas library, as you can give some pseudonym. So I'm saying pd. So once you have imported, let's build some data structure. For that, I'll be using something called, I can use a variable called, let's say, data1 equals to, and I'm going to build a dictionary kind of a variable. So dictionary is nothing but how do you write key and then value, right? This is how you will be writing a dictionary. The same thing here, what I will do, instead of a key, I am going to write the key name as id and then put a colon mark, and here I am going to mention few IDs. For example, 101 comma 102. Okay, so I have 101 345, so there are 5 IDs. After this, put a comma, then let's write the next key. So the next key name is, let's say, name, put a colon, and inside that you have to define the string. So the names I will keep it simple. I will say a comma b comma c. So because there are 5 names, we will create some 5 alphabets, okay, representing as person. So id is 101 and the names are abcd, for example. Okay, done. And after that, put a comma. Now let's say the last column that I would like to keep is let's say age. Okay, age, you can use double quote, single quote, anything is fine in Python. Now age, again I'll keep it pretty simple, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, just for learning purpose, I think this should be fine. So the dictionary got created. Now let's say, let's print it. Okay, what kind of a just to verify the type of data1 variable. So what is the type? So if you run it, it tells you the type is nothing but it should be a dictionary type. You can see class dictionary. Getting it? Fine. So we don't have to do anything with the type. Now the dictionary variable you have created and you have defined some data. I want to create a data table. To do so, all I have to do is simply use this pandas pseudonym that I've created, right? PD. So I'm saying PD dot, and I'm going to use a very powerful function that is available with pandas is Dataframe, and here I'm going to pass the dictionary variable, which is for me data1. So once I pass it, what would happen? So here I'm going to create a variable which would hold the data. So I'm creating a variable called dt, data table equals to so and so. Now let's print data table, and I'm going to execute this. So now you can see what happened. This dictionary variable now has been converted to a data table, a tabular form it has taken. 101 a, the name and the age, right? So for everything it has transformed the data into a data table structure. So this is one of the way of creating data table in Python. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.